Hello, this is Jason with Massmann Geothermal. This is a geothermal system we just installed in Independence, Minnesota. This is a 6-ton GCT 072 combo unit which does radiant in-floor hot water, forced air heating and cooling, and we also supplement the domestic hot water. These lines you see here, the black lines are the lines going to and from the loop field. The larger copper lines are the radiant in-floor hot water lines. The small half-inch lines are going to our preheat tank, which there again supplement the domestic hot water. It's our cold air duct. Got a humidifier on this system. Supply air duct. You see a zone damper up there. This home is zoned with main and upper levels, and radiant in-floor zones in the basement and master bathroom. The system is hooked up on a dual fuel system, which gives you a reduced electrical rate to operate the heat pump, about half price typically, depending upon the utility company. There's a radiant in-floor piping, zones, circulating pumps, valves, gauges, makeup water, air eliminator. This tank that you see here is simply a buffer tank for hot water storage. There's no gas or electricity going to that tank. Geothermal system will heat 100% of that tank unless controlled by the power company. And on this 95% modulating gas boiler will do the radiant in-floor heating, and also forced air hot water coil in the plenum of the ductwork will also heat the forced air areas. This is the air exchanger. It gives you an air exchange per code in Minnesota for the house. This is our preheat tank. Again, there's no electricity or gas hooked up to that tank. The geothermal will heat that tank as long as there's a calling for heat or air conditioning. We'll heat that tank up to 130 degrees with a long enough runtime. This is our domestic hot water heater, or what's called a side-on tank. This is actually heated from the 95% boiler rather than a 80 or 85% conventional gas water heater. On this home we have a digital TrueZone Honeywell panel which controls the forced air system, in which direction that air is going, whether it be the main level or upper levels. We also have a Honeywell IAQ total comfort control, which controls of course your forced air heating, forced air cooling, humidity, and the air exchange of your home, along with an outdoor sensor. Controls those for you. Back here we have the circulating pumps. Those circulating pumps circulate the water to and from the loop field. Those are the geothermal lines go underneath the foundation out to the loop field. Guys did a nice installation here like always. Everything's straight through and plumb. You wouldn't expect anything less here at Massmann Geothermal.